So next chart, see here, so this is a superb chocolate. Okay, so these are, they are giving an example to make you as to understand how the multiplication is actually working. So see here, how there are 1 2 3 4. So I'm just roughly drawing. Just assume this is a chocolate bar. Okay. Okay, so this is a chocolate. So this is a chocolate bar. Okay, so I want to calculate how many squares in the chocolate. See, this is how the chocolate looks, isn't it? So how many squares in the chocolate? I want to calculate how many squares in a chocolate. Means we want to count the number of rows and number of columns. So see here, 1 2 3 4. So how many rows are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, isn't it? So 7, 4 into 7 is equal to 28. See here, so there are 28 squares in the chocolate bar. Okay, so for your reference, I'm just writing. Now you can understand. So how many squares in the one bar? So there are 28 squares in the one bar. So how I have calculated? First you want to see how many boxes in the side and in here. 1 2 3 4 4. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 is here. Okay, so if I say rows and column, it will be difficult for the second standard children, so I have not mentioned the rows and columns. Okay, so this is how the multiplication is works out. So they are giving a lots of example to make you very clear. So to make you very clear how the multiplication is works. See here, there are a egg palette. There are a egg palette. So you see, so now I want to calculate how many eggs are here. So the same procedure. 2, then you want to calculate here 1. You have to include this egg here also, this position also, and also you want to include the same eggs in this position also. So 1 2, I have written 2 into 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. So totally 10 eggs in the egg palette. Okay. Okay, next, multiplying using a number lines. So how the number lines work means, see here. You can also learn this type of strip addition. Okay, you may learn this method. This is called a strip method, isn't it? In addition also you will perform. Okay, the multiplication also we can perform it. See here, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So how many 3s are there written? 5 3s are there written. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. So now we want to calculate how many, what is the answer. So I'm just writing the steps. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 and 15. Okay, so now calculate. This is a 3, isn't it? 1 2 3. Again 3. 1 2 3. Again 3. 1 2 3 finish. Next again 3. 1 2 3. Again 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3 4 5. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, sorry, I have just drawn wrongly. Wait a minute. Okay, so this is the 3. I have to started from the 3. Sorry, I have to started from the 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Again 3. Again 3. Again 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have finished at 4. Last one 5. 1, 2, 3. So totally 15 is the answer. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? So 15 is the answer. If I put 5, 3. See here. 0 to 3. 3 to 6. 6 to 9. 9 to 12. 12 to 15. See here. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is how the strip multiplication is working out. Instead of doing this strip addition, we can calculate. There are 3. So how many 3s are there? 5 3s are there. So 5 into 3 is 15. Here the multiplication makes us to easily we can perform using the multiplication. We can perform the calculation very easily. Instead of doing the strip addition, we can make the multiplication very easy. Okay.